we've touched on the extra ability to have the throughput increased, which is more tonnes, more of your final commodity. Optimisation with recovery. Again, the initial stages was laboratory testing, which is limited based on what core samples you have. You'll understand you can optimise your recoveries, different reagents, maybe more oxygen in the case of gold, for example, different resonance times, and also your reduced shutdown. You'll have less wear as you understand your material better. You're not going to start off lining everything with ceramics. That would be a waste. You can over capitalise in those initial stages. Best to understand your wear patterns and then line accordingly and get extra benefits. And there might be more, a better understanding at that later point, and also it's from a different budget at the end of the day. So that's probably a better way to optimise down the track when you understand your resource.